Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tonight you're going to talk about Kefir or Kefir. This one happens to be Lifeway organic Kefir. It's Georgia peach flavor. Now they have different flavors. This one's strawberry, Lifeway. This one's from Trader Joe's. It's mango. Now these two are not organic. This one's organic. If I can get organic, I always buy organic because that's what I prefer. Now, the difference between organic and non-organic is organic has 3.5% milk fat, and and just regular non-organic has 1% milk fat. Now, if you're concerned about milk fat, then buy non-organic. But if you're not, if you don't care about that, then buy the organic. I read some studies that say that bacteria multiplies better, it thrives better in organic environment. So what is Kefir? Lifeway company here, that's the company that introduced me to Kefir. They call themselves champagne of dairy. And Kefir, this one claims to have 12 probiotic cultures inside of and it's saying it's naturally gluten-free, lactose intolerant friendly, no artificial anything. 25 to 30 billion CFU at time of manufacture. So 12 different bacteria in Kefir versus 4, maximum 5 bacteria in your average yogurt. Now yogurt you eat with the spoon, right? Kefir you can drink. What you do with the Kefir, you shake it real good, pop the cap, go into the glass. That's basically what Kefir looks like. That's what a glass of Kefir looks like. It's very, that's what Kefir looks like. That's what a Kefir looks like in a glass. It's very liquidy, it's very easy to drink. Now you can add any kind of flavor you want to it. You can buy plain and add your own strawberries, blueberries, whatever you prefer, and mix it. I read studies that blending fruit with non-flavored Kefir, which is obviously non-flavored Kefir, has less sugar. So if that's a concern to you, you can flavor it with your own fruit. I've drank non-flavored Kefir, and I like that one too. It's not an issue. Flavored Kefir, of course, goes down easier. Cheers. Oh, it's good. Peach flavor. I like it. So it's easy to drink. You can mix it with anything you like. It's good for you. It's got 12 different live cultures inside, probiotics, 12 different probiotic strains inside this drink, versus yogurt that has only 4 or 5. I try to drink a glass like this 2-3 times a week. I highly recommend it. I think it keeps me in good shape. Any questions, leave it in the comments, and I'll make sure to answer any of your questions. You can buy Kefir at any grocery store now, Trader Joe's, Whole Foods. Oddly enough, Walmart is the only one that sells organic Kefir from Lifeway, other than Whole Foods. But Walmart's the only one that I find organic Kefir from Lifeway. So that's something to look into if you're looking for organic. You can actually go to Walmart and get this at a really great price. They do make kefir for kids, so this is like a really cool pouch. It's a creamy orange flavor. It's made by Lifeway, the same company that makes these, and it's something that I give my kid every now and then. So you know, to give him some probiotics in his system, and I think it's good for him. It's USDA organic certified, so if you want to, you know, put your kids on a healthy diet and give them something healthy, I'll definitely recommend this. This is what I give my kid. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.